Come with me, little egg lamp thing. Hello from Kyoto. I'm extremely tired, so this is not going to be the most coherent welcome, and I will be doing a more thorough explanation about where I am and what the vibes of the place are tomorrow. I have come from Tokyo today, running on 2 hours of sleep. I wrapped up my night around 2 a.m. and I woke up at 4 a.m. because I was so paranoid that I was going to miss my train to Kyoto, which was at 1 p.m. So for no good friggin' reason. I have been up ever since. And so I am coming to Kyoto not as my best self. However, this location, this place where we are, I'll give you a full tour in a minute. It's cute. It's really cute. I have to explain what this means to me. This was a dream that I've had since I was like 16, 17. The idea of coming to Kyoto and living in one of the traditional machiya houses. My 17-year-old self is just having a whole moment about it right now. I really truly am super jazzed to be here. I've had fantasies about Kyoto for nigh on a decade now. So that realization will hit me stronger once I have like more than 3 brain cells to rub together. But already I can appreciate what this means to me and what this means to my younger self. So I'm really excited to make the most of the opportunity of being here, to like soak in the vibe, to get aligned with the vibe now that I'm stepping out of the Kyoto or the Tokyo 24-hour madness, which I did resonate with a lot. And I really did like, but just because it's different doesn't mean it's bad. I'm here for almost 2 months, so I'm staying in Kyoto longer than I stayed in Tokyo. At the moment, I do not have a fully formed opinion of Kyoto because I literally went from the train station to this house, walked around the neighborhood once, got some food because I was starving, went to the grocery store and got some basic provisions, and I'm not going out again today. I will give a more informed opinion about Kyoto later, but my first impressions are that I personally feel like the brakes have just been pushed all the way to the floor, going from the neon all-night kabukicho nichome vibes of Shinjuku. That was the energy I was in for a month, and I like really stepped into it. Like I was ready for it. I lived up to it. It was a really great time, and it was very intense and very nightlife forward. And just my job in general, since I'm working on London hours, has me up till 3 a.m. every day. So coming here, looking around, I'm like, the energy, much different. It definitely seems like a much slower pace of life here in comparison to Kabukicho, which I don't think anybody would argue with. It's gonna take some mental adjusting for me to get in the frame of mind to be here in Kyoto. And like appreciate it for what it is. I will start playing tourist probably tomorrow once I have my energy back. But for tonight, we're just resting. I need some sleeps. I need many sleeps. But I wanted to introduce you to the space at large. It's very cute here. It's very compact. It's very schmall. Small, S-M-O-L. But at the same time, I am one singular person and I have just come from a bunk. So my regards for space. This is great by my standards. So I'm going to be taking you along with me here in Kyoto, and I think it'll be a good time. Okay, bye. Good morning. Actually, good afternoon. I slept for 15 hours. No, I slept for 12 hours and was in bed for 15 yesterday. I don't have any actual plans for today. And I think the only thing I want to try and do is go to the temple that's right by me. It seems like a pretty big deal. And it's only like 5-10 minutes walking. Under the garden. God, like, you know, you just sit here and you drink your tea and you become a better person. That's what I'm hoping for myself. I'm gonna make myself a little breakfast. Soft tofu, soy sauce, green onions. So close to a perfect extraction. Damn. I don't know if I've had like a whole fruit the entire time I've been in Japan. Which is a problem, because vitamins are necessary, and I have definitely not been getting enough of them. When I was in Tokyo, since I was staying in a bunk, all I did was eat out, right? Like, I just went to restaurants and convenies, and that was got my food. So, suffice it to say, I am not at my most, like, nutritionally elevated state, so we're gonna have to do some recoup work while we're here in Kyoto. Classic combo. Oh, it is rainy today. I'm gonna go find a cafe to hunker down in until it's time to work. I don't want to like go back home because I was at the house literally all day yesterday, and yeah, I'm kind of over it. I want to be outdoors. I want to be where the people are. But it was a really lovely visit, and this is literally right next to where I'm staying. Oh my god, it's so windy and so rainy. I may actually change my mind about the cafe. We'll see.
ゼルダの伝説ティアーズ・オブ・ザ・キングダム